fine. There's like an osprey up there eating a bass on this post up here. There he is.
He's about to run.
I'll try and, let me.
Checking that spot. Is it a crappie? No, it's a freaking big crappie in there.
There's an osprey. I think that's an osprey.
He's cool.
He's up there eating a bass I wish I had.
Daggum thing can't even hold still.
Jesus.
I'm on the highest control mode I can go, bro. There's another one up there, I think, on that.
Good God.
That's a nice fish.
That's a nice fish.
That's a freaking crappie. It's
Oh.
a huge crappie, too.
That's a crappie.
Oh my God, he is cool. He is so pissed at us right now.
Look at that sucker.
That is a fine crappie. Look at his claws, dude. Look at his.
That thing is pissed. Whoa.
Oh my God, look at the size of that crappie.
Sucker can barely
Oh my God. Freaking crappie as big as our daggum bass.
Alright, nice fish.